Meaning of dog-eared.
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 Dog-eared. Dog-eared refers to the condition of a book or page where the corner has been turned down, usually from frequent use or marking a place. This results in a crease or fold in the corner of the paper. The term is derived from the way a dog's ear would fold over. While some people view dog-eared pages as a sign of a well-loved book, others see it as a sign of neglect or mistreatment. It is often recommended to use bookmarks or other methods to mark a place in a book rather than relying on folding down the corner of a page.